Hello, let's talk about this game called Star Mark. To play this game, you need a 5 line star. Line number one, two, three, four, five. And in the start, you'll see there are 10 intersection points. So, intersection point is a place where two lines meet each other. So, for example, these two lines meet at this point, and so this is a intersection point. Similarly, like these two lines meet here, so this is an intersection point. So the aim of the game is to mark 9 out of 10 intersection points. The way you mark a point is you count the intersection points on a line and then mark the third point. So for example, this is a line, and in this line you count 1, 2, 3, and you mark this one. You cannot count, you have to count in a straight line, so you cannot count it this way 1, 2, 3. This is a legal move. And you cannot start the counting from a point which is already marked. So for example, you cannot count 1, 2, 3 and mark here because this point is already marked. So number one, when you're counting, cannot be on a point where it's already marked. So with this just these two rules, like point count in a straight line and don't start counting from a point where it's already marked, we have to mark 9 out of these 10 intersection points. So in the first star, I'm going to mark 9 points using a particular strategy, and in the second star, I'm going to show that if I don't use the strategy, what will happen, and in the third star I'll explain what the strategy is. So let's start with the first star. So I already marked 1 point, so 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna mark the second point, 1, 2, 3, and third point, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So now, as you can see, I was able to mark 9 out of these 10 points of intersection. So I win this game. Now let's start with the second star. Here I'm not going to follow any strategy. I'm just going to randomly try, and then we'll see that we'll fail to mark 9 out of 10 points of intersection. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's it. I cannot mark any more points, so we are left with 1, 2, 3, 4 unmarked points. So this does not work. So now you can pause the video here and try out various strategies. Maybe observe how I did the first, how I succeeded in the first star, and then I'll tell you the strategy with the last star that you see on the screen. Okay, so now let's describe the strategy. So the strategy is you have to mark, first of all, you can start counting at any line. So let's start counting at this line, 1, 2, 3. So I mark this one. So this is where the key is in the strategy. So the next time you try to mark a dot or a point of intersection, you have to mark the point where we counted number 1 last time. So in this case, this corner was where the number 1 was counted, right? Because we counted from 1, 2, 3. So the next turn, try to mark this particular corner. So let's do this, 1, 2, 3. So I mark this one. Use the same strategy again. So 1, 2, 3. Same strategy again. So now this time we have to mark this one. So 1, 2, 3. This time we have to mark this one. 1, 2, 3. This time we have to mark this one. So 1, 2, 3. This time we have to mark this one, so 1 2 3. This time we have to mark this top one, so 1 2 3. This time we have to mark this one, so 1 2 3. So using this strategy, as you can see, we have marked all the points of intersection except the last one, which was the aim of the game. So this is a correct answer. Thank you for watching.